Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. So in this video we're going to solve exercise 1.2 question number 6 and 7, and all the previous questions I have already solved in the previous video. So if you haven't watched them, please go through it and come back to this. For more solutions of more problems, you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and also share with your friends. So let's get started with exercise 1.2 question number 6. So write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. As we did in the previous questions, we multiplied some number in the numerator and divided with the same number, so that it doesn't make any difference with the value, but it becomes the number becomes convenient for us to write the different rational numbers. So we are just going to multiply this number and divide by 10. So we are multiplying by 10 and dividing by 10. So if we do that, we get -20 by 10. So now we can easily write the numbers, rational numbers greater than -2. So we can start with -19 by 10. -19 by 10 is also greater than -2 or -20 by 10. So I have randomly taken any 5 values which are greater than -2. So that is -10 by 10, which is nothing but -1, and of course -1 is greater than -2, -5 by 10, -1 by 10, 5 by 10, and 7 by 10. So I've taken any random rational values which are greater than -2. Now we will move on to the next question. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. As we did in the previous questions, that we multiplied and made the denominator same, we will follow the same thing here. So we are just going to make the denominator 80. We have to multiply denominator 16 times in the first number. So if we multiply, we'll get 80 in the denominator, and of course we have to multiply the same number in the numerator also. Now we have 3 by 4. So we are going to multiply 20 times each, that is numerator and denominator. So we get 60 by 80. Now the denominators are same. We can find the rational numbers between these two numbers. So 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are nothing but 48 by 80 and 60 by 80. And if we write 10 rational numbers between them, we can write 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51, 52, 54, 53. You can also write 53, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59 by 80. So these are the rational numbers we have. And we have completed solving all the problems of the first chapter, that is exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. In the next video we will be solving more problems of the new chapters or the coming chapters. So for more solutions, you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as early as possible, and also share with your friends. Thank you for watching Learn with Sumi.